Good morning, students. I hope all are keeping fine. Last class we have started a new topic, geometrical shapes, and also we have learned some basic concepts of the basic geometrical concepts. First one, plane. What is called plane? Plane is a flat surface which extends endlessly in four directions. The next we have learned that point. Point is a position or dot on a flat surface. There is no length or breadth for point. It has no length, no breadth. Then we have learned line. What is called line? Line is a collection of points and it goes in a straight path. The line is a collection of points extend endlessly in one direction, endlessly in both directions. Okay, there is no starting point and no ending point. We cannot measure line. Can we measure the line? No. Because it is indefinite. Line is indefinite. We can show line by using arrowheads on both sides. Both sides we have to show arrowheads by showing line. Okay. Next we have learned that ray. What is called ray? Ray begins at a point called initial point. It extends indefinitely in one direction. Line has no starting point and no ending point, but ray has initial point or starting point and opposite direction it endless or indefinite. It has a starting point and opposite direction it extends or it is indefinite. So we have to show one arrows on opposite direction. Okay, line is not line has no end point or starting point, so we have to show both side arrowheads. Do you understand the difference between line and line? That ray. Line has no starting point, no ending point. So both places we have to mention, we have to show arrowheads. Then the ray has one point, either starting point or end point. Opposite direction it extends or it is endless. So we have to show with the arrows. Next one we are going to learn. We have learned that line segment. Line segment is a part of line. Okay, that is a part of line. From the line we can cut line segment. We can cut line segment from line. So it has starting point as well as ending point. Okay, line segment has both points, starting point and end point, two fixed point, and it has fixed length. We cannot measure either line or ray. We cannot measure or we cannot find the distance. We cannot measure it. But we can measure line segment because it has two points, starting point and ending point. It has a definite length. Line segment has a definite length. Okay. So this class, now we are going to learn how to measure line segment and how to draw line segment. Okay. So we are going to learn how to measure line segment and how to draw line segment. First one, here we have to measure the line segment with the scale. Okay, we have to measure line segment with the scale. Here, in a scale, if you see the scale, we can see both sides. One side it has shown that centimeter, another side it has given inches. Okay, we have to use centimeter. the side which shows centimeter. How can you understand centimeter? Here 0 to, this is a long scale, it is 30 centimeter scale. The scale which is with you, that may be small scale, that is 15 centimeter scale, small scale, 15 centimeter scale. So, after each numbers, here I start from 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2 and going on till 30, 0 to 30. From each between each number there is a small lines are there. 0 to 1, how many lines? If you have scale, please count it. How many lines are there? 10 small lines. So this each small line represents millimeter. Each small line from one number to another, that is millimeter. From 0 to 1, that is 1 centimeter. Okay, suppose if we want to draw a line segment with 10 centimeter, we have to start from 0 to 10 centimeter. Draw the line segment 0 to 10 centimeter. For 10.5 centimeter, after 10, there is a 10 lines are there between one long lines. Okay, that is shows 5. Each line shows 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, 10.4, 10.5, 10.6, 10.7, 10.8, 10.9 and 11. Each line shows millimeter. 10.1 millimeter, 10.2, 10.3 goes on. Okay. Then to draw the line segment, first we have to place our scale. Suppose I want to draw a line segment with a 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. First draw line segment. Draw line segment with a 15 centimeter. First we have to place the scale on the paper and press it gently. Okay, when you are keeping the scale, it should be straight. Don't give like this, don't like keep straight. And we make a marks from 0. Okay, from 0. 10 centimeter now I want to draw. So then you have to take mark the another points on the 15. Then we make a line. 15 centimeter. Now there is 2 points are there. Here is more 1 point. Don't make a like this point. Just to make a dot over here, and here also make a dot over here. Okay. So then we should give name. Line segment AB. We have to give name with the capital letter. Line segment AB. How many centimeter? How many centimeter? 15 centimeter. That also you have to mention. So when you draw the line segment, it should have 2 points. Starting point and ending points. Okay. Then it should have name. Both. Starting point and ending point, and also it have name. Understood? What are the things? Starting point, ending point, and name also it must have. And mention there centimeter. How much centimeter is there? Okay. To show draw the line segment, you have to place your scale. Another name of scale is ruler. R-U-L-E-R, ruler. How to place the ruler on the paper and press it gently and mark points from 0. And suppose if we want 10.5 centimeter. I am going to draw once again. Draw 10.5 centimeter line segment AB with the PQ with the line point 10.5 centimeter. Line segment PQ with the 10.5 centimeter. Here from 0 I have started. Okay. Then 10 here 10 Then after small 5 lines, here it is. So you have to draw a line here. It is on the board, it is too small. When you draw in your book, you can find it is little more than PQ, give the name, put the dot and give name, and how many centimeter? 10.5 centimeter. You will see how to mention them. Draw the line segment, put 2 dots, and give name, any name you can give. N line segment MN and 18 centimeter. This all things it must have. Okay, I hope all have understood it. Next one, how to measure the line segment. Line segment, how to measure the line segment. Here I have drawn a line segment. I am going to draw a line segment here. Line segment P2. Measure this line segment. How can it measure? To place a scale and start from 0, and here this comes 25. So we can write the line segment P2, it is 25 centimeter. To measure the line segment also this way. Okay. Then next we are going to learn in your exercise 9.1. Exercise 9.1, question number 5. Draw line segment of the given length F. Question number F till F are there. That you have to draw it. So first one I will show you how to draw. Draw line segment of 12.4 centimeter. 12.4 centimeter. How can we draw? First we have to place our scale on the book. Then start from here 0 and 12 here and 12 after small 4 lines. Here it is. Then draw a line, straight line. Then points A and B, line segment AB 12.4 centimeter. You have to mention this way. That is exercise 9.1. Exercise 9.1 fifth question. Exercise 9.1 fifth question. That you have to draw in your copy. Okay, that you should draw in your fair copy. And question number 6 that you do in your book. Measure it and write in your book itself. Next we are going to learn open figure and closed figure. Open figure and a closed figure. Open figure and a closed figure. See, here these 3 figures, starting point and the ending point have same. The figure which have same starting point and ending point are called a closed figure. Here all it is closed, it is not open anywhere. It is not open anywhere, just same starting point and the ending point. This type of figures are called a closed figure. And the figure which have different starting point and ending point. Here it is started and it has ended here. Okay, different starting point and a different ending point. Such figures are called a closed figure. Okay, all the figures which have different starting point and ending point are called open figure, and figure which have different starting point, same starting point and same ending point are called closed form. Is it clear? Yes. Next we are going to learn polygon. Next, what we are going to learn? Polygon. Polygon means a polygon is a closed figure which have a figure having 3 or more line segments. Polygon is a closed figure. It is closed. Starting point and ending points are same, and it has more than 3 line segments. It is made with the more than 3 line segment. What is called polygon? Polygon means polygon is a closed figure which have more than 3 line segment. Here, this is a line segment. This is a line segment. This, if we use 2 line segment, we cannot close it. So to close this line segment, we need a minimum 3 line segment. Polygon is a closed figure which have more than 3 line segment, having 3 or more line segment. This is a polygon. This is also line segment. This is also another line segment. Now we are made with the 4 line segments. So it is a polygon. And this is also polygon. This is also polygon. Okay. So polygon means polygon is a closed figure. It is all closed figure. It is all closed figure, and this all figure having 2, 3 or more than line segment. Here it has 4 more line segment. It has 4 line segment. This also have 4 line segment. This have only 3 line segment. It has minimum 3 line segment. That closed figures are called polygon. Now we are going to learn types of polygon. First one, triangle. Triangle is a closed figure. Okay, triangle is a 3-sided polygon is called a 3-sided polygon is called a triangle. One side 2, 3. 3-sided polygon is called a triangle. Okay, next one, quadrilateral. Q-U-A-D-R-I. Quadrilateral. Okay, then quadrilateral means a polygon with a 4-sided. 4-sided polygon is called a quadrilateral. 3-sided polygon is called a triangle. 4-sided polygon is called a quadrilateral. Can you say some example of quadrilateral? There are some examples of quadrilateral are, first one, square. Second one, rectangle. Next one, diamond, etc. Okay. Square, rectangle, diamond, etc. Then here, what is the speech of that square? All 4 sides are equal. In square, all 4 sides are there, 4 corners are there, and 4 sides are equal. And these are called parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. Do you know what is parallel lines? Last class we have learned that the line which never meet or cross each other at a point are called parallel. These 2 lines are going on straight way. And these 2 lines also, vertical line segment also cross. This horizontal and vertical lines are meeting each other, but these opposite lines are not each other. Opposite lines are parallel. Okay, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite this sides and this side are equal and this sides are equal. At this side and this side, opposite sides are parallel, and this both sides are parallel. And all angles are right angle, 90-degree angle. That we will learn more in class 2. What is right angle? Angles we will be learning next year. Okay. All opposite sides, that all sides are right angle. In rectangle, here that square, all four sides are equal. Okay. Four sides equal means opposite sides are also equal. In square, all four sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, and four corners are right. Four angles are right angle. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Here also opposite sides are equal, but in rectangle only opposite sides are equal. Here four sides are equal. Here opposite sides are. This side and this sides are equal, and this side and this sides are equal. And this opposite sides are parallel. This side and this sides are parallel, and this both sides are parallel. Then all four angles are right angle. And diamond. Diamond also four-sided polygon, closed figure, and it has four sides and four corners. Four sides or four corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four corners and four sides. Okay. First one, polygon is a closed figure having 3 or more than line segment. Types of polygon. First one, triangle. Three-sided polygon are called a triangle. Quadrilateral. Four-sided polygon are called a quadrilateral. Then the example of quadrilateral are square, rectangle, and diamond. Square means all four sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, and all angles are right angle. Then rectangle means all opposite sides are, both opposite sides are equal and parallel, and all four sides are right angle. Only difference between that square and rectangle are that the square have four sides are equal, but rectangle opposite sides are equal. Okay. Then we are completed till here. Next we are going to learn that circle. What is circle? We are going to learn circle. Okay. Circle is a closed figure. That also closed figure. But it is not a polygon because it is not made with the line segment. If it is polygon, it should be made with the line segment. It is made with curved line. Circle is a closed figure made of curved line. Okay, circle is a, we can draw circle in many ways. When we were small, how do you draw the circle? With the bangles of your mothers. You can draw circle with the bangles. This is one circle, and if we want to draw a little more bigger one, we can draw this way. I'm going to draw this way, okay? This is with the bottle caps. Many ways we can draw the circle. Okay, then every point on the circle is at an equal distance from a fixed point inside it. I will tell you once again, every point on a circle is equal distance from a fixed point inside it. First I will show you how to draw the circle. We have in the geometrical shapes, in geometry, we have to draw a circle with a compass. Okay. When you buy instrument box, you will get a compass. There is a compass is there, divider is there. Divider means two places that leaves are there. Okay. Then tips are there. Then here in the compass, one side there is a pins and other side there is place to keep your pencil. You have to place the pencil in the tip of your one side of one arm of the compass, and that both sides should be equal. Not one side shorter and one side length. Not. Both sides should be equal length. Okay. Then only we can tip. Then we have to fix a sharp pencil in your compass and place the metal tip of the compass on the paper. This metal tip we have to place on the, I will show it in my book. This metal tip we have to place on the book and draw the circle this way. We have to keep our hands on the top of the compass. Don't keep it like this. The top. There is a small handle is there. Then you have to keep our hands. We have to place the hands there. Then draw the circle. Okay. So first one, fix a sharp pencil on one side of your compass. And while you are fixing, both sides should be equal. Then place the metal tip. This metal tip you have to place on your sheets of paper. And then we can make it a small circle or small or big circle, and while we are stretching these arms. Okay. Here I am going to show how to draw the circle with the compass. Yes. Now I have drawn 3 circles on the board. Okay. What is called circle? Circle is a curved closed figure made with curved line. Then a circle has a center. Each circle has a center. The place center means the place where we keep the tip of our compass, metal tip. The place where here I have made the metal tip, and here, okay, here I have made the pencil, the tip. Okay, this place is called the place where I have kept the tip. That is called the center of the circle. Center of the circle. Okay. Then here we are going to learn. Now we are going. First we have learned that how to draw the circle. To draw the circle, we have to place pencil on the compass, and we place the metal tip. Place it on the sheets of paper. Then we trace the circle. Now we are going to learn parts of circle. What parts of circle? Parts of circle. First one, center. Center is the place where we keep the metal tip. Okay. Then we should understand that when we are placing this compass over here, the same distance. That every point on the circle is at an equal distance from the center. Every point on the circle, from here to here and here to here, all the points on the circle is at an equal distance from the center. Here center O, center M, center Q. Any name we can give. Center O, center then. That every point on the circle, this all point, many points are there in the circle. This all points have equal distance from the circle. Let us see, is it correct? Here here from point to here 14 centimeter. Okay, this side. Wherever we take, that should have 14 centimeter. Here also it is 14 centimeter. Here also 14 centimeter. Then here 17 centimeter, 16.5 centimeter. 16.5 centimeter. 16.5 centimeter. Okay. From the center, every point on the circle is with an equal distance. Every point on the circle is equal distance from the center. Clear is this? Next one, radius. Radius. The fixed distance between the center and any point on a circle is called the radius of the circle. The fixed distance, we are told that from the circle any point, it is an equal distance from any point of the circle. That distance is called from here to here, that is center. Okay, from here to here, I have told it is 16.5 centimeter. Okay, 16.5 centimeter. From here to here also it is 16.5 centimeter. From center to any point on the circle, fixed distance from center to any point on the circle is called the radius. Here radius mn, radius mo, many radius we can draw. Radius mg, radius ma, radius mi. Many radius you can draw and give name. Okay, these are called from center to any point on the circle. From center to any point on the circle is called the radius. Okay, understood what is called the radius? This is called the radius. From center to any point on the circle is equal distance from the center is called the fixed distance between the center and any point on a circle is called the radius of the circle. Okay, that should be equal distance. And the plural of the radius is, this is singular, radius means singular, radii. Radii or radii, both is correct. Radii or radii, both is correct. Okay, and radii. This is radius and plural is called a radii. Is it clear? Next one. Chord. Second one is chord. First, sorry, not second one. Third one is chord. First one center, second one radius, third one chord. Chord is a line segment with lines on the, that's points and lines on the circle. Chord is a line segment whose end point lies on the circle. Chord is a line segment and whose end point lies on the circle. Here, this only one end point lies on the circle. Other end point lies on the center only. Yes or no? Yes. One end point lies on the circle in the radius. One end point lies on the circle and another end point is in center. But in chord, we can define a chord as a line segment whose end point lies on the circle. Both end points lies on the circle. Here see. Here, both end points. AB. Line segment AB. That is a chord. This is chord. Here also we can draw a chord. Line segment PQ. Chord PQ. This is also chord. Okay. This line segment, it is a line, chord is a line segment whose end point lies on the circle. Here I am going to draw a line segment. Line segment as that is a chord. This both the line segment that the star points are lies on the circle. Okay, that is chord. Then diameter. Many chords can be drawn. Many chords can be drawn in a circle, and we can draw many radius. We can be drawn many radius. Many radii we can be drawn in a circle, as well as we can draw many chords. Okay. Then next we are going to we have learned chord. We have learned radius. We have learned center. We have learned. Next we are going to learn diameter. Next diameter is diameter also a line segment which passing through the center of the circle, and that end point lies on the circle. Here in the chord we are told that this both points are both ending points are lies on the circle. Okay, but it is not passing. Chord is not passing through the center. Chord, it is not passing through the center. But in a diameter, it is passing through the center of the circle. Here. Diameter. Diameter P. AB. Diameter AB. This is a chord as well as diameter, because this is a chord because this both the ending points are lies on the circle. Okay. This is diameter also because it is passing through the center of the circle. Passing through the center of the circle. Diameter is the longest chord in the circle. Which is the longest chord in the circle? Diameter is the longest chord in the circle. Okay. Now we have learned the parts of circle: center, radius, chord, diameter. Okay. Remaining topic we will learn next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.